Welcome back, guys. We're at Subway today. Check this out. They got tuna, chicken. You guys like this stuff? I like the veggie patty. Everything is so fresh. And if you want to gain on a little weight, here's the Hi, can I get little mayo on it and American cheese? I'll show you guys how to make a little sandwich there. A little bit of sriracha sauce. So good, they have it here. Not every place has it. And a little bit of lettuce, tomato. Some cucumbers. And some olives, hot peppers. Some green pepper, a little bit of oregano, all in vinegar, light, and that's it. All right, guys, here's your veggie patty sandwich. See you guys on the next one. Bye. Thank you for subscribing to the channel and hit a like button. Thanks. Bye.